Good motherfucking morning, motherfucking bees. Good motherfucking morning, ladies. How are y'all doing today on this most beautiful of Thursday day. Thursday mornings. We good, chillin', Gucci? Damn good. Nice. Tama depresso. That's not a thing, man. Stop making up words. Shit as usual. It's a classic. It's a classic. Had a little accident in a lab today. Accident in a lab. Alright. Your parents had an accident in the backseat of a cab. What? That's just fab. You lose. Germany invaded Poland. Classic. Very classic. Alright, let's see here. We got some dudes. Nils Einar, 115 months. My god, I can't even look at these fools, man. Ancient friends. Next token, 2 years. 2 motherfucking years in a row. Journey badge, thank you. He says MC, whatever that means. I have no clue. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Boiled bacon, Forsen Gosling. Sikana for the 7 months. Thank you. John Rowe and Toast with 1 year. Forsen E daily quota. Girl Yard, welcome back. No haircut. Why are you so obsessed with these celebrities' hair? Huh? Why don't you get a life? You chubby cheek punk ass kid. Plural. Very nice. Why does your hair grow so fast? Go back to Beatleson. It grows fast because I am healthy. I eat healthy. I go outside. I touch some ass grass. Okay. I game complain. I stretch on a regular basis. My god. Who do you think will win the major CS2? No fucking clue. No fucking clue. How about those punk as Sumer kids? What's his name? The motherfucking yeah, not Carrigan. What's his name? The new Monisi guy. Fuck, I forgot. Donk. I thought you were just being dank. Donk. Donk is his name. Donk. Yeah, alright. That was quite a performance last time around. Yes. Alright, let's see. Let's correct it. Farmer Barber 6 years in a row. Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. DMK Mr. Wong too, welcome back. Paid with the 6 years GFMB Forsen E. Beep. Nice, very nice, boys. Trig Victor, NK, Rico, Mirko, Hosman, Rumred, Kraku, 2 years. Hello, Mr. Force. I know you despise Polish and would rather learn Elvish, but could you for once read my nick like Kravtsu? Kravtsu. Then how about you spell it in the correct phonetics, alright? Based on the English language. If you want me to pronounce it in the Polish way. I'm not a mind reader, bruh, alright? Motherfucker, and I don't despise the Polish language. I just despise people assuming that I know that your name is Polish. Bruh? Bruh? Thank you though. Enjoy the batch. Alright, let's see here. We got some links. We got some motherfucking links. Linka things. Alright. And in the utmost silence, alright?